Some European observers have stressed the significance of the relationship between the European Union and China, emphasizing the need for increased dialogue between the two sides. This year marks the 20th anniversary of the establishment of the China-EU Comprehensive Strategic Partnership and the 25th anniversary of the China-EU Summit mechanism. And the China-EU Summit was held in Beijing on Thursday, the first in-person meeting between the two sides after the pandemic.
When it comes to relations between China and European Union, I would prefer to speak more about similarities, or if you want to say common interest. Despite all differences, we can speak about very good cooperation, like in trade. If we speak from that angle, we can say that cooperation is there, and cooperation could be even much more better.
Oui, c'est chaque jour plus nécessaire. Et il faut développer toutes les opportunités de dialogue, de rencontre, d'échange, de coopération. Si vous voulez, c'est une question de patience, c'est une question aussi de... Vous savez, le dialogue, c'est être capable de faire, d'abord d'essayer de comprendre le point de vue de l'autre et de faire, à partir de là, des concessions mutuelles. C'est vrai entre des individus, c'est encore plus vrai entre des États.
China and the EU have established more than 70 institutionalized meetings or dialogues. They are each other's second largest trading partners, with nearly $100 million worth of goods flowing between them every hour.